Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you have a bad eccentric shaft sensor and it's time to replace it? If you're getting codes such as 2A67, 2A6B, 2A6C, and so on, these are going to be the most common codes when you have a failing eccentric shaft sensor. What symptoms should you expect when you have a bad eccentric shaft sensor? And the most common symptoms you're going to notice is going to be reduced power or lack of power. You're going to notice that the engine might start misfiring. And also, you're going to notice that the idle is going to run rough. And also, you're going to notice the engine might shake a bit. The reason why you're experiencing all these symptoms, that's because the purpose of the eccentric shaft is to adjust the angle of the intake valve. Now, if the intake valve is not properly adjusted, it can cause the intake valve to not close or open properly. If you own a BMW, you're going to notice that you're going to have to replace this part maybe a few times throughout the vehicle life because this part tends to fail quite often. And I'm going to explain what causes this part to fail. The first and most common reason is going to be due to engine heat. Due to its location, it is always exposed to engine heat. The next common reason why the eccentric shaft sensor always fail is due to that grommet or seal right there where the arrow is pointing. When that grommet starts to fail, it can start to crack, it can start to wear out, and it's going to allow engine oil to get all over the connection on the eccentric shaft sensor. And when there's a lot of engine oil on the eccentric shaft sensor, it is going to cause poor connection. And when there's poor connection, there'll be poor communication between the sensor and the computer, and it can cause codes to be triggered such as 2A67, 2A6B, and so on. How do you know it is time to replace the eccentric shaft sensor? And the most common problem is going to be long crank time, or it's going to take a few attempts for the engine to start. If you notice that the engine is not starting, especially when the engine is cold, especially on a cold morning, it is possible that eccentric shaft sensor might be the issue. And if you notice that day when the weather is warmer and the engine starts easier, it's also possible that the eccentric shaft sensor might be the issue. So again, when the weather is warmer, the eccentric shaft sensor might work better, but when the weather is colder, that eccentric shaft sensor might start acting up and you're going to notice all sorts of engine performance issue. For replacing the eccentric shaft sensor, always inspect the connector and make sure the connector is not soaked in engine oil. If it is soaked in engine oil, you're going to have to clean that part. Also, you want to inspect the gasket and the grommet on the valve cover, so make sure that is in good condition as well. Next, you want to inspect the wire and make sure the wire is not cracked, make sure it is not brittle, and make sure that connection is not loose as well. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.